dumpster rental service in Queen Creek, Arizona. Need a reliable solution for waste management in Queen Creek, Arizona? At 4 Freedom Construction, we specialize in dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. Whether you're handling a home renovation, a construction project, or a large-scale cleanup, we've got you covered. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, perfect for tackling projects big and small. From disposing of old furniture during a home cleanout to managing construction debris like drywall, roofing, and concrete, our durable dumpsters can handle it all. At 4 Freedom Construction, we make the process simple and hassle-free. We'll deliver it right to your site and pick it up promptly when you're done, keeping your project on track and stress-free. We're more than just a dumpster rental company. Our commitment to customer satisfaction and efficiency has made us a trusted partner in Queen Creek, Arizona. We ensure affordable pricing, timely deliveries, and exceptional service every step of the way. From residential cleanouts to construction projects, For Freedom Construction is here to help you manage waste with ease. Ready to simplify your cleanup? Call 4 Freedom Construction at 602-975-3747 today. Experience the best in dumpster rental services in Queen Creek, Arizona.